everyone, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are having a fantastic day so far. If you're a new subscriber, I want to say thank you and welcome to StellaZone. Welcome to the family. Okay, if you've not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, smash it. It's free. And also the little bell icon, please hit that, so whenever I upload a video, you'll be one of the first people to get a notification whenever an upload goes up on StellaZone. So today we're going to just keep it simple. I am making bacon rice. I would say spiced bacon rice, and I'm featuring my Elechomes rice cooker. Okay, so I got this from Elechomes. Shout out to Elechomes Electronics for this amazing rice cooker. Like it really looks chic, you know. It looks chic. If it's a woman, I would say fine chic, you know. It's really nice. So I'm going to be using this. I'm going to be cooking my bacon in here. I'm going to be cooking my rice in here. So my Ghanaians out there, if you want something that is like will get everything done, like if you're making jollof rice, you can use this with the settings on there I'm about to show you, so you understand what I am talking about. I can even use this to make like palm nut soup. All right, so let's get started. So to get started, I'm going to this is touch screen. That's what I'm saying. If it was a woman, I would say fine chick, okay, or fine gal.
Fine gal. So it's on.
Okay, so it's on. I'm going to press menu. And then you see there's rice cooking, there's soup, stewing, frying. So I'm going to go on to frying. And I'm going to change the time because this is 30 minutes. I want less than that. You have to go up and restart for the time to... So I'm going to say 15 minutes. And then I will just... See? And that is my timer, okay? And it even gives you like the temperature on your left-hand side. And then it gives you the timer, and then when it's done,
Celsius,
you guys will see.
Or centigrade for British people.
So this is really, you guys look at the futures on here, okay? Minutes, hours, you know, to keep it warm. It's just I feel like this is like a game changer.
There's a lot of settings in there.
Yeah, this is like a game changer, and it's touch screen. So this is really go-to. So let's go into my spiced rice that I'm going to make. Of course, we need the main ingredient, which is the rice, and I have 2.5 cups of rice here. I have three bacon. I say 3 pieces of bacon that I diced up or I cut into bite-sized pieces. I have 1/2 cup of chopped up or sliced red onions that I'm going to be using. I have about 1 tablespoon of garlic. I did not really measure, so you can use 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon, however much you want of chopped up or diced up garlic, whichever way you want it, it doesn't matter. I have 1/2 teaspoon of Badia seasoning spice. I have 1/2 teaspoon of spicy curry powder, and I have 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, okay? And I have a few bay leaves here, about 3 bay leaves here, and I'm going to be using 16 ounces of chicken broth. 16 ounces, which is 2 cups. Okay, so let's just get started. And with this thing, when you first set the time, it looks like it's stuck on there. It has to I guess preheat like the oven. You know how an oven will preheat, and then it will start to count down on the time. Because when we first started, we're like, what the heck, it's not counting down. You have to let it reheat, and then I say preheat. So I'm just, by the way, as I'm waiting on, I'm just going to put my bacon in here. I'm not using any oil with my bacon. I'm not going to be using any oil. So yeah, I'm going to fry the bacon so it's golden brown. Right. All right. Stay tuned. So I did close the lid while I'm frying the bacon. They have this nice like vent on top of the rice cooker, and that lets the steam out while you're cooking, so which is really cool. So my bacon is done. You know, you just need to brown the bacon in there, and I'm going to keep the grease, so I'm just taking the bacon out. And the next thing I'm going to put in there is the onions. I'm going to fry the onion and then the garlic. So first of all, so this is the bacon. It's done. In goes the onion.
Recycling the bacon grease.
Yeah, I'm recycling the bacon grease. You're right, babe. So I'm going to let this fry until it softens up. I'm going to cook this. I'm going to cook this covered. Okay. So now the onions is cooking so nicely. It's been cooking for about 3 minutes. I'll say 3.5. I'm going to add the garlic. And then 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna let this sit and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. Alright. So now my onion and garlic is ready. Okay. So I am going to turn it off. So you just have to hold on to it, and then again. So now I'm going to add my seasoning. Or you say
StellaZone
spice.
spice.
It is not. Mix it in there nicely. I'm going to add the rice, which I just washed. Mix it in very well. I'm not going to add salt right now. I will taste later to see if it needs salt because of the bacon. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it on. The menu is going to be rice cooking. And there it goes, it's cooking my rice. I will add my bay leaf and my bacon and everything else, but I first of all want to sort of like, you know, cook the rice for about 5 minutes before I add in everything. Alright, so it's been 5 minutes. I'm going to add my bay leaves, some salt. I'm using pink Himalayan salt. Going to add in my chicken broth, 2 cups. Gonna stir this around. With this rice cooker here, it's not going to give you a timer when you cook the rice. It's going to cook the rice so when the rice is done, like other rice cookers, so it doesn't give you a timer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set another timer on the side to have this cook for about 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, I'll go in and add my bacon. So it's been 15 minutes. All right, so now I am adding the bacon. I'm gonna mix it in. So I'm gonna cook this and let it cook till it's done. So our spiced bacon rice is done. So as you can see, look at that. This is cooked. Like, it's soft, you know. That's how I want my rice. So let's dish some up. Okay, so now this is our rice. It's done. I'm just garnishing it with some cilantro right there, and that looks good. So this is our recipe. It's done. How to make the best spiced bacon rice. Okay, a few ingredients. This will bring all the boys to the dining room. Okay, so this is it right here. I'm gonna have my husband taste it and tell me what he thinks because he loves bacon. So
and rice.
Okay.
Some of that bacon. Very good. Just enough spice.
Just enough spice. Mm-hmm.
The bacon's soft, but not too soft.
That's like a little bit of crunch to it.
Mm-hmm.
This is perfect. Don't finish it now.
I'm trying to bite. Oh,
Really good. Gets the job done, huh?
mm-hmm.
Okay.
I need it.
So I want to say a very big thank you to Elechomes for giving me this amazing rice cooker, and I really like it. It got the job done from frying my bacon to cooking my rice. and it worked. It turned out perfect. So thank you. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and check out this rice cooker. This is going to be a game changer. I can make my stew in here when I'm making my jollof rice. I can make some sauces and soup in here. So check this rice cooker out from Elechomes. I think you can also get it through their Amazon page. The link to purchase this will be in the description, okay? So yeah, so until I come your way again with another recipe, stay tuned, remain in God, and have a blessed day.